to show you how to do the half double crochet foundation row. So go ahead and make your slip knot however you prefer. I just like to make a loop and pull that loop through, but it doesn't really matter whichever way you do it. And we are going to chain 3 because a half double crochet, you need to chain 2, and then for this row to get into it, you need to chain that extra third one. So we're going to yarn over, and we're going to go into that first loop, but we're going to make sure we pick up the front and the back loop. Let me zoom in here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. See, we need to pick up those 2 loops right here, and we're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull through those 2 loops. And then we have 3 loops on our hook, just like any half double crochet. And you are going to, so you hold that tail down over here. You're going to yarn over, pull through that first loop, because what essentially we're doing, it's standing like this. So that is that chain. So that's a regular row that you start a chain. And then the rest of it's going to be the half double crochet. So you yarn over and pull through that first one. So we're basically doing 2 rows at once, so it's quicker. And then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that is considered 1 half double crochet because that's your first one. These chains here do not count. So that's your first half double crochet, but you're doing 2 rows at the same time. So I'm going to yarn over, kind of turn over, go into both of those loops, right there at the bottom, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through that first loop for that chain, and yarn over and pull through all 3. Let me show you one more time. So we're going to yarn over, go into the base of that chain with both loops, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through that first one to make the chain, yarn over, pull through all 3. So that is how you could create the foundation half double crochet. So when you get to the end and you're ready to start, all you need to do is chain 1 and turn your work, and then you can start as normal. This might curve a little bit like this as you're working on it, but don't worry about it, it'll be fine. But I just wanted to show you, most of my patterns will start with a foundation row and whatever stitch I'm using, because that just gives me my 2 rows at the same time and a little bit quicker for me.